Hi there. Adding add-ons to your WooCommerce products was always a difficult thing to do. It was never easier. Sometimes you'd use a plugin that would break your product layout, you'd use custom CSS to fix those issues, and sometimes it wouldn't even work. And those plugins which would work was not compatible with your tech stack or existing plugins. With the help of Swift Commerce, now you can easily add product add-ons seamlessly that will integrate to your product page and looks clean like this you see on the screen. So here I've added product add-ons to this specific product. So these add-ons contain some specific sort of switching, other options, and some text as well. And you can see here that they look extremely clean. There is no UI UX issue, and it is perfect how it looks with the product page. You can see here that this specific add-on is a required one and this one is an optional. So for example, if I click on it and I don't like it, I can just unclick it again. I don't have to keep it on, but with this one I cannot unclick it because it is a required one. And here, if I want to get some personalization from my customers, they can write that text right here. Now, to add add-ons to my product page, all I have to go is head over to my WordPress dashboard. Here, I'll click on Swift Commerce. And inside Swift Commerce, I have to go ahead to Products. And inside Products, you can see here we do have the option of Product Add-ons. I'll click on this, and then I'll go ahead and enable this feature. I'll click on Save Changes. And after that, I'll go ahead to my product page, or I can just go ahead to the product list as well from the WooCommerce site. But either way, I'll go ahead and edit the product page. I have to scroll down inside the product data section and I'll click on add-ons. Here, I do have multiple options to whatever sort of add-on I want to create, and I can add prices right here as well. There is no further complication working with other sort of stuff. Now here you can see we have multiple options: checkboxes, radio buttons, drop down, anything I want. So I'm gonna add a couple of checkboxes and then radio buttons. So the first will be wrapping. So how I want this product to be wrapped, it should be a selection based on our customer's preference. So here I'll set it as required, and then it should be like, for example, gift wrapping. The price should be, let's say, $5. Then it should be something like box wrapping. It can be $8, and something for international wooden crate, that would be something like $20. So that's one sort of add-on. Now the next thing is I'm gonna add is going to be a radio button. Let's say I'm asking them for shipping. So it can be either by cargo or air. Now the next add-on should be file upload. Inside the file upload, I can easily let customers upload their photos, or let's say if I'm selling something that is related to customization, or it's some sort of thing that we want our customers to upload their personal photos, so we can do that as well, and that can be done for a price as well. So you can see here that customization, I'll enable this as customization, and the description should be upload your photo. It will be required, and the price is going to be set at $10. That's it. Then these are enough for me. I'll go ahead and click on update. Now the product add-ons are added, and I'll go ahead and open this in a new tab, and you will be able to see all the add-ons are added. You can see gift wrapping. I can choose either I want. Then there are like shipping, which option I need to select, either way. And then there's the customization for photos, but you'd be wondering, it doesn't look like the one which was in the start of the video. So all you have to do is go ahead to the Swift Commerce dashboard again, click on the appearance tab, and inside the appearance tab there are multiple options. One option is the stacked option, the next one is the grid options, and the other can be, which was in the start of the video, that is the inline option. I'll click on save changes, and you can see here that It is done. Now I can select either, let's say, I want to enable the wooden crate and I want to use the shipping to be done by air. And then I can also choose and select a file for customization. And you can see here that the moment I choose any item, it is being updated accordingly. So since this is a checkbox, so I can select all of them, but this is a radio option, so I can only select one. That's how it works. Now, there are more customization options as well. For example, if I'm going to choose grid layout, and inside the grid layout, I can choose either 2 columns, 3 columns, or 1 column. So for example, if I click on Save Changes, for this one, you can see here that it will be changed to a grid layout. See, it's all in one column. And then, and further, I can go ahead and change the colors. I can work with layouts. I can work with, let's say, if I want to enable the description or not. I can work with typography, their spacing. Anything I want to change, all can be done right here from the appearance tab. And that's how easy it is to add add-ons to your WooCommerce product page with the help of SwiftCommerce, and you can have all of the controls you want. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day ahead. Bye.